What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, no lithium battery reviews. Thank the Lord. Let's wash a golf cart and let's just hang out. And I got this golf cart here. We definitely need to clean it. I'm going to end up rebuilding this golf cart this year. That's the golf cart I'm going to rebuild. But I'm going to get rid of the body. I'm going to use the Lazy Life seats from the DS, and I'll show you the DS in just a minute. We're gonna probably get rid of like the mirrors. I don't know if I'm gonna run an extended roof or we're gonna run that roof and just paint it. I got a different windshield for it. I got a different body for it. Today, I wanna clean it up before we start really doing anything else with it. The back seat has definitely just been neglected. It's just dirty as it can be. Same with the cart. I need to go in there. I need to replace the key switch. I like to replace this right here piece of plastic. It's not in dire need, but I would like to. Probably gonna remove the speedometer. I'm gonna definitely remove the Navitas. Not sure if we're gonna run this same back seat or not. We might not. I'm not sure. Definitely gonna run new cushions, the Lazy Life cushions. I wanna do different tail lights. We're gonna do different wheels for sure. I did keep the 18s from the DS, but we're not gonna run 35s. We're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna get rid of all of this right here stuff. Did that on a video years ago. But today, we're gonna try to clean this thing up the best we can. I got a foam cannon. I got some foam that I use. And we're gonna use that to clean it up. I'll show you right here. So this is a little pressure washer I just picked up this year. It's got a retracting handle on it, a spool. Comes with all 4 tips. It did come with that foam cannon there. It's very basic, but I got this one instead. I'll place a link to this one down in the description below. This is fully adjustable. You can't really see it right now. It's kind of dark. There's a power switch here, which is just like touchscreen. And then you can adjust the level up and down, which is pretty nice. And we're just gonna use that with it. It comes with the hose, it comes with everything. It's inexpensive. It says it was 5,000 PSI. I don't believe that at all. You know, 1,000, 15, 2,000 maybe max. One hand and everything. I'm not gonna use much of this stuff here. I'm just fill it up just a little bit. And that's probably about it. That's about it. That's all I'm gonna use. I hope my wife don't watch this because I'm wearing the new hat she just bought me for Easter, and probably don't need to be doing that. Let's see what we got now. What you think about that, guys? That's a major difference there. Major. Even the little bit that we used a lot less than we would normally use if you just put it in a bucket and put water in it. Now we just need to take our mitt, soak it with water, and just rub it down the entire cart. We're gonna shoot it down, we're gonna spray it off. So this looks a lot better. This is how I clean my carts, so my goodness. So we're gonna get in here real quick, clean it up with the with my rag right here. I'm gonna soak it down, and when I say soak it down, just wet it. I'm not gonna bore you with that, and I'll pick you right back up after we get it clean. All right, got it all washed down. Just put the white nozzle on here just to spray it all off. I even got up under there too as well, you know. Not sure if I'm gonna keep this roof or get an extended roof for this right here build, but I definitely want a roof on it. Y'all remember back there? I even cleaned back there. And I've never cleaned back there before. So that looks a lot better. You can see where I've been dragging it, doing wheelies. Yes, this cart still gets down. I have to get in there because my son likes to mud it, so, or he did. And look at that shackle back there. This thing seen his better days, but thankfully we're gonna give it a makeover here soon. So I called All Sports yesterday and I ordered a rear lift kit, just a lift kit from them. I need to call them back. I feel like we need to get some new bushings, but then again, I look down here, the bushings look like they're okay. And maybe we just need to redo the alignment on this right here cart. I feel like the tires definitely ride in a little bit, like negative camber, but I need to quit doing wheelies with it. That's what the deal is. So just to clarify you, these cup holders, they will not rot. They're made out of plastic, not wood like the old school ones. And these right here are the Nokens, and they bend out of the way so you can put your seat down or whatever. If you don't have the plastic ones, I'll link those in the description below, or you can check those out as well. Pretty inexpensive, easy to install, all bolt on. So, yep. You know we gotta take the cart wherever we go.